Hello everyone, Kerry-Lou here. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. So many of you have asked me, how do I cover up my age spots? So, I know I have them too. I'm going to help you. I have a product that I've had in my makeup kit for years. It's a favorite by most professional makeup artists. It's called Dermacolor Camouflage System. And it's a little palette that comes in many different colors. So there's something right for everyone. There are about 3 different palettes available, from extremely light to extremely dark. So you'll definitely find something that's right for you. It's very opaque. It covers tattoos, blemishes, rosacea, and of course the pesky age spot that we're talking about today. So let me show you how to use this. Let's go. I have on a thin base and most of my normal makeup. This is the Dermacolor palette. There are 3 or more palettes available. There's so many colors, there's something for everybody here. That's what I love about it. There are also pots you can get, but it's a good idea to start with the palette and then you can choose the best color, the one that's exactly right for you. So this is my worst offending age spot. That's what we're going to cover today. So we're going to hold the palette directly up to the skin and figure out the best color to cover it and to blend in perfectly with the rest of your skin. I can already see that it's probably going to be this color because I have used this palette before, but sometimes your skin color changes, so it's good to recheck once in a while. So I'm going to actually place a little blob next to the age spot that we're going to cover. All right, that might be a little bit light. So let me try this one. I flipped the brush over, by the way, so I had a fresh start. I think that one blends a lot better. So I'm just going to get rid of those ones. And I will go with this one. Let's see, what color is that? D4. Okay, so we're going to use D4 and I'm going to put it directly on the age spot. This brush is from my line of Kerry-Lou makeup brushes. It's brush number 115 and it's made of man-made bristles, which is good because it doesn't absorb the cream formula like a natural bristle brush would in this case. It has a nice shape and I like the size. It's nice and small for tasks like this, like covering up little age spots or the small veins on the face. Like so. And I'm going to feather around the edges so that the makeup is undetectable. You can use your finger to pat it, to blend it in. What you don't want to do is drag the brush over that area, because then you can remove a lot of the makeup that you've just worked on covering up that age spot. So there you go. You can always use it for different areas of your face too. Some of us get a little red around the nostrils, so I like to put a little bit around there. And also I get a little rosacea on the chin, so I'm going to use a little bit there too. So use it with the brush. You can also use it with a little blending sponge. Now once you've figured out your color, the one that's right for you, you can always get a pot. It comes in, I think it comes in a smaller one also. So get the smaller one because it lasts you forever. It's chock full of pigment. So this is going to last you a long time, both on your face, it wears a long time, and it will probably last you like 10 years. So now I'm going to cover up the area that I just worked on with a little powder. That sets it and that will keep it a lot fresher. And now you can barely see it. I can see it if I look really close up, but I don't like to make it too thick so that you actually see the makeup, so this is just right for me. Then you can add your bronzer and your blush as you normally would. Now, I know that some of you are probably thinking, why wouldn't I put the concealer on before the foundation? Because years ago that's how we used to do it, because concealers only came in very limited colors, like light, medium, and dark. So then we had to put the foundation over the top. It was almost like concealing the concealer, but we don't really have to do that now. I like to do it this way. You might want to do it another way, and you know, whatever works for you is fine. So just to recap, I use a very thin amount of foundation all over my face, and then I use a perfectly matching concealer over the top, and then just a little bit of powder. I find that that works best for me, and I hope that will work well for you too. You can also use this concealer on moisturized skin without any other face makeup, if you're going for a natural look but you just want to cover a few age spots or blemishes. I hope you enjoyed this professional makeup artist insider tip. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!